Welcome, my name is Smith Scott, and welcome back to my channel. And we're doing packs again.
We got some more shiny V's. Look at all the shiny V's. And the boys got a Sun and Moon and a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion.
Yeah.
Yup, we are going to set our phone in our phone holder that we finally have dialed in now.
Yeah.
We can finally start putting out some decent content here on this channel. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, Goobs, go ahead and open one, see what you get. We're still waiting on our sleeves, so I've just been throwing them in the box for now.
Didn't take me long. Ooh, this one's a good one.
Yeah, you gotta get it out and see what we get. How many packs left? We got a few packs left. I'm gonna go for 2 today.
Ooh, green. That doesn't look good. I think I don't know if I get any good cards.
Alrighty, you gotta come over here. Come over here. There you go. Show them to the camera. What do we get? Slide over a little bit. Alright, put it up closer. Up closer to the phone. Closer. Right there. That's perfect. There you go. Now just slide it down like this. Or slide it up, yeah. Bounce, 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 bounce. Keep going. You gotta go right there. Ooh. Alright, Daddy will open one. We'll see what we get.
Ooh, this one's a strong one.
Yeah, you got a couple good cards in there. Alrighty. Babe, you wanna open a pack with us today or no?
Yeah.
No?
Why, babe? You're supposed to have fun.
Yeah, you're supposed to have fun, babe. Alright, let's see what we get today. Oh, we got a little bird duck type thing.
Duck type thing, whatever
And
that
whatever that is. I like that one, whatever that is.
is. Ooh.
It's different. That's a trainer.
Ooh.
That's a nothing.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a weird one. That's like a elephant.
Ooh.
That's another nice one.
Oh,
Oh my god. What is that? Is that a Caterpie?
different.
That's like a Caterpie on steroids right there.
Yeah, but that's different.
That's a nice one too though. I like that one. Alright,
Yeah.
not a bad pack. That's an alright pack. What'd you get? Get your second one going. Let's go, Goobs. Let's get it. Down, 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 down.
Oh my goodness, I opened better.
And we'll be having some RC videos going up here soon. We're waiting on our new battery plugs so we can start doing our RC videos.
What, Mom?
We'll give you a little preview. Got this bad boy right there.
I got a white.
You're gonna be coming back on the channel here
Oh,
soon.
this is gonna be something good
Oh,
in
we got a
this.
white card. Let's get it, Goobs. Let's get it.
Oh,
Oh, what'd you get? What'd you get? Show it to the camera.
I got a white.
Show it to the camera.
That is gonna be a good white.
You gotta show it to the camera.
I am.
Alright, attaboy. Alright, slide it.
A Geodude. Oh, I missed one. I got a Pikachu and then a Geodude.
Alright, we all know that beating Pokemon Soul Silver.
I skipped it one.
It's okay.
And I got the Geodude and the Pikachu.
Alright, slide it. What'd you get? A Mischievous? Here, look, you gotta... Right there you go.
After this, it's gonna be a
A
hollow.
Mintino. Oh, that's a good hollow, though. What?
Oh my
What is that? What did we get?
We got shiny, but I think there's gonna be something. Oh,
I'm-
I have this.
Oh, we're gonna have to put this one aside for a sleeve, alright, bud?
Yeah, but let Mom show that to Mom.
You wanna go show it to Mom?
Yeah. Do it. I got one white.
Alrighty, we'll put that one aside. Put that one in with the V's for now.
Yeah, and
That one's gotta get
sleeved
sleeved up. You like that guy? What's that one?
2 hollows for me.
Two hollows?
Yeah.
See what Dad's got. Sorry about that shake, everybody.
Yeah. getting more and more. I really
Go get one more pack. That's it. Just one more. I'm gonna keep these cold cards. I'm gonna have to fix that shaking problem. Sorry everybody on the shake. It's a little hard. We're learning our system down here.
Yeah, I got a good one. Make sure it gives me a white. Ooh. Oh.
That's a cute little one. It's like a ball.
More Pika.
More Piku. You want it?
Yeah, I will take it. I got so many more Pika.
Oh, we got a shiny baby! Woo!
Woo, woo. Make sure.
Oh, we got a Suicune. Oh, we got a good pack. This is a good pack.
This is the ultimate pack.
Oh, that was a good pack. I'm happy with that pack. That's a good pack.
I got
How many packs do we have left? There's only 2 packs left. I'm gonna do one. Oh wow! Wait, why does that feel so thick? That feels thick. I don't know. Do one more.
Yeah, make sure this gets the white.
I'm never gonna get a God pack. I feel like I'm never gonna get a God pack. It's just not gonna happen for me, babe.
I think this is one of the best.
I like that Pokemon. That's a cute one too.
Dad,
What?
I think I need help for this pack. Oh, I think that. Oh, we're going up for a hollow. Oh my goodness. And my goodness.
Ooh, that's a good card. I'm happy with. Oh, we just got the shiny Lapras, babe. Ah, that's a good card.
Goodness, you're gonna get that sleeved up.
Yup. All right, let me help you before you destroy that thing.
Yeah.
Look, remember you got to go to the bottom.
Oh.
Oh wow, that was a hard one.
Yeah, that one. Green.
The green
That
one.
doesn't look good.
No, it doesn't look good. Hey, I made this booster box last me almost a week this time though.
30.
4 days or so.
40.
5 days. We're gonna go on to the last
Whatever
one.
that is.
Let's see what we can get.
Whatever that is.
We know it's not gonna be a God pack because we're not that lucky.
Whatever that is. Score bunny.
Yeah?
The same score bunny as a couple days ago.
Be a little bit quieter.
Ooh, I got one hollow.
You gotta be showing the camera. You're not showing the camera.
One hollow.
That's a good one. I like that fish. Let me know if you guys like it like this close. I feel like this is like prime right here. Oh, Goobs, you can have this card. Oh, we just got another shiny, baby. Woo!
Yeah, I got this.
Here, you want that card?
Oh, I
He's got another
this one.
shiny. This is gonna be a good pack. Oh, it's a good pack, babe.
Yeah, yeah.
I think we already have that one though. And that one. I'm pretty sure we have that one.
I just had the non-hollow of this.
Yeah.
Ooh.
A full booster box open.
I
I guess we'll do a visual of what we got out of the booster box since it's all here. This is a 5-day openings worth of cards.
Yeah. And then we got the shiny and the shiny and the shiny and the shiny. I have the.
Shh, quiet down a little bit, bud.
I have that one.
Quiet down a little bit.
Just 3 hollows.
You gotta watch out there, kiddo. Don't touch these. Hold on a minute.
Hollow. And then we got. I think Wigglytuff. Wigglytuff. Soup, then shiny, then Then we got that one. One of the packs came with that.
That one's not in this, but that stays aside.
Yeah, that stays aside. Let's go over there. Over there.
Quiet down a little bit, bud. Don't get too crazy. What are you doing that for? Why is that one shiny but not shiny?
It just has stars. Shiny, shiny. I think you have that one already. That one. Then there's over there. Oh, I saw somebody get that.
What the heck? That looks like a Pikachu dog hybrid.
No. Pikachu. I think we'll see. I think we already pulled that one. And then we got a Lapras out of the bag.
Yeah, there's the Lapras right there.
I think you already have that Lapras.
Do I?
Yeah, well,
Hold on, bud.
this one's better than that card. I have a lot of cards that is better than that Lapras.
Oh, yeah? I think I only got one VMAX.
One V. Then another V. Then got a damn hollow.
Oh, we got two VMAXs.
Dad, I think you can give me that one.
Alright, so now we're going to go through what we got.
Yeah, and that one's Ditto.
Watch out. We got one amazing rare out of this booster box. Just one.
Yeah. And we got it a couple, and then we got a lot of holes. And then we came into this one.
Okay. Then we've got two VMAXs.
Yeah, VMAX and VMAX.
The Ditto we've got, I think,
Ditto.
2 or 3 of already.
5, I think. That's more
And
than
then
4.
whatever this is. Maybe a Centiscorch. I don't know.
Whenever I see that, when I see that name, when I hear that name, I will talk it to you.
Yes. Quiet down a little bit. These are the V's.
These.
I think that's a Centiscorch. I don't know. There's a Lapras VMAX.
Lapras, VMAX. Then
A
the
Golbat.
V, and then the V,
Whatever that is.
V,
Looks like we have. Why did they give me 2 of the same in one box?
3. That's all the V's you got.
Okay, then let's go through the hollows, the normal hollows.
Yeah.
It's a non-hollow, it's in the wrong one.
Whoa.
That's a good looking one, that's a good looking one, I like that one.
Then we got it. That's a weird looking coffin. I think that's a Weezing. Because out of the free ones, that is a Weezing. So that's a love type of coffin.
Yeah.
That one's a non-hollow. Non-hollow.
I like that card.
Have to go pee. Hold on a second.
Alright, we'll be here. I could have sworn I got a hollow, or a... I thought that was a shiny for some reason. That's the hollows. And then right here is the shinies that I got out of the box for the shiny collection. I think that's a Celebi. I don't know. A shiny V Lapras, baby. Alrighty. Alright, Goops, come say goodbye. No, you gotta come say goodbye. What you got?
This hollow.
He wants to show his hollows off.
And then
You gotta turn your hand. There you go. That's much better. Slide it down. Slide it down like this. Slide it down, okay? Watch, let me show you. When you have two in your hand, take your hand and slide it down just like that. That's perfect. That works much better. Alright, say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Say thank you for watching. We'll be back tomorrow for some more. Don't forget to check out our TikTok for all of our small daily videos.
Yeah.
Our little mini openings and whatnot. And everything else. Thank you so much and have fun. Don't forget to catch them all.
Yeah.
Subscribe and like for some more.
Yeah.
Alrighty, goodbye everybody.